So, okay, guys. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'll be teaching you, how to use all those functions like reduce, map, filter functions that we have learned so far in our real world scenario. Okay, that's the thing. I'll be showing you in the form of pizza menu application. Okay, which is built in React. You can see here we'll be able to place our order that way, that way, that way. Okay, you can see in your cart you'll have this one, all the list that you right now selected. Okay, and then once you are selected, you can place your order, and then you'll get this message. Okay, but in real scenario, the application will be deployed in the cloud, and then once you place your order, place your order, it will navigate you to the payment page, and there you'll place your card detail, and then you'll good to go with your pizza. You'll enjoy your pizza. In the same manner, we are trying to do everything same. Only the thing is we are not deploying this in the cloud. That's the difference. However, everything will be like the real old scenario. Okay, we can place our order, place our order. Okay, if we don't like, we can remove our order. Okay, what sort of pizza I want to buy. Okay, I'll be able to see all those sort of stuff in here in my cart list. Okay, and if I don't like, I can remove this one, and then your card has no item, or there is zero. Okay, you're not liable to pay any amount there. Okay, so that way we'll implement all the functions, states, okay, like use state in our application. Okay, yeah, let's get started without delaying. So first thing first, you need to get your images in your assets folder. You'll go to the folder where you have your images, select all them. Okay, in my case, control, I have this image 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever. Okay, then you'll drag in, come here, and you'll put them in your where an asset, make it that way. Okay, I don't want to mess up there because I already have that, so let's put them back. Yeah, and then I'll move forward here. Okay, and then I'll get started with our program. Yeah, first thing first, you need to import this structuring, import USE use state, and we need React also. Okay, and React both we need. Next, we're gonna import all these images. Okay, like here I'll import those all the images, copy iz1 from where the file path. What is my file path? In my case, I have those images within my assets, so I should do dot slash, and then I'll get from assets, and within assets also I'll choose the particular file name like 1, and I need to specify the extension there. jpg. Okay, in the similar manner you'll import rest of all other images. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V for 6 times. Then you'll rename this one here. Anna. This one is 2. This one is 3. What have I done? 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. I got one more extra here which I don't want it here, so yeah. Then you'll write your function name a function, and then you'll use the curly braces, and then you need to return parenthesis, semicolon, and then we should not forget this one. Okay, export default name of app. Then moving here, you will write some sort of const, so you'll get cart for your list of items. The cart, and then set cart, so you're gonna use that state, and then we'll destructure that one, and then use state, and our this state at the beginning will be empty array, and then after that I'm gonna get some objects, pizzas in the form of objects. Okay, I'll get 6 of those one. Comma this one, comma this one, comma this one, curly braces. How many we have? 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, why 7? We just want 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enough. They are more than enough. We are having 6 objects here. Okay, and these objects of pizza will have id 1, name, give any name, okay, any name you can give here. Then price, how much price you gonna give here? $10. Okay, let's make it $10. 10. Then and di, I'm gonna give the ingredients in the form of array because I have multiple ingredients to list here, so I'm using array. Like I have here mushroom, Next I'll have onion. Next I'll have, let's add them a bit of chicken. Without chicken it will add no taste. Okay, so for making it tasty we need to add a bit of chicken for them. Okay, we are customer focused. So next we'll have cheese also will give to them. Okay, customer satisfaction is our main goal. Okay. Yeah, and then image. I'm gonna give the image like Z1. Hmm? 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 Okay. This is my first object. I will move forward. I will paste it here. I will move forward. I'll paste it next here. I will move forward. I'll paste it there. I'll move forward. I'll paste it here. Same thing I'll do here. Copy, paste. But I need to rename those one. There is one for everything. That is not good. Two. You can give name here. Chicken pizza. Okay, then you can give here CAPSI capsicum mushroom pizza. Okay, gonna be veggie, and you're gonna give here tomato, anything. Okay, just for name purpose. Yes. And what is the ID for this one? Should be free. 2, 3, and name of picture is 3. Gonna be 4. What is the name? And I listen 4 ID. I'll give next one 5 image 5 6 and name of this, give any name. Okay, SPI spicy. Okay, so these are the objects of our pizza item here. Okay, we are making 6 objects, nothing much is there in here, just we are making the objects of those pizza and giving the properties for those object like name, ID, price. Okay, ingredients, you can separate the price here, $12. We can differentiate the name, sorry, ingredients here. Okay, you can add here if you like, but for me it's okay just for demo purpose. So let's make it $15, quite expensive. ID, what is the ID for tomato one is, I'll make it quite cheap, $8, you know. So yeah, these are our objects. Then here I'll take div tag. I'll return div tag. Okay, div tag. Within div tag I'll wrap everything. I'll have h1 heading, okay, this is the name of our Pizza Hut, and within here I'll write my div tag. Okay, and within here I'll get this all pizzas dot map, and then I'll get the item, or you can take any element. It doesn't have to be that item there, you can write anything, any parameter there. So yes, then we'll run the arrow function. Take all the pizza item and do what? Wrap them in our div tag. Come on boy, why? Div tag that way. Okay, when I was wanting it was not coming, then when I don't want it was coming, man. Yeah, and then within there you'll get key of each item, then item dot id, you'll take that one for key, and then you'll take the name, sorry, item dot name. Okay, and then you'll take item dot price. Okay, so far what we are doing is we are running this map function. Okay, these all pizzas, will take all these pizzas and we'll run the map function, and we'll map this in the form of div tag. For each one we'll give that item to the div tag, and we'll write its name, price. Okay, that's the thing we're gonna do. Don't get confused guys, it's quite simple. Let's try to make it as simple as I can. ls cd npm. Okay, come on. Yes, we are trying to get all the pizzas, like I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 sort of pizza here, and then I'm displaying those pizza and the price there. Okay, that's the thing right now it's happening. Then I don't want this quite bigger one, I want a small one. I want my editor to be big, so come here. You're taking name item, and what you'll take more, you'll take p tag paragraph, and you'll take, you'll access the ing ingredients. But what ingredients? You'll take each item and access those ingredients. Okay, but this will give the long string. We don't want that one, we want to join that one in the by this one. Okay, what is happening here. See, now you can see this is the name of your pizza. We don't have images here. We'll sort it out soon. Yeah, name of pizza here, and then ingredients you can see here. Okay, that is happening. Next pizza here, price and ingredient. For price you can, what is our price? You can give here dollar. Okay, pizza $10, that's the price of your pizza. Till now you are doing this sort of thing. So next, yes, you will have here button, and then you'll have order there. Okay, let's see what is happening. You're having picture, and you'll have this one here. Good. So after that one, price is coming at the beginning. Here, name is here. Good. Chicken pizza. Yes, good. Then one more thing we need here is image. For image, you have to define the source src, and we'll get the curly braces because we have imported images there. So in there, what is that? Item dot what? Image. Yes, it is. You'll get the image there. Okay, these are your pizzas. What if I do this one here and separate my order at the nice, good, pretty good. So far so good. Yeah, now we are getting all the images of pizzas, their price, ingredients. Okay, and if you like to order, you can order, but this one is not working because we are not writing any functionality for this one, so we need to implement that one also. So to implement that one, we'll have now function. We need to write efficiency tin. Why? What is happening? Why? Ins function items or add picture, whatever you like to write there. Right, as per your choice. Set card, and within the cart you will have cart. Okay, cart state or p cart. Okay, if you want, if you don't want to write cart in this state, then you can use the previous state. Okay, p cart. Then what are you gonna do here? Then you'll run the arrow function here. What are you gonna do? You're gonna do this in previous state, or you'll spread all the card element. CRT, my bad, that is card. Okay, card element, all the card element, and then add new element to the card. What? Okay, you need to write your item or any thing that specify your parameter. Okay, then this is done. This is for the adding functionality. Okay, now if you pass this one here on click and you're gonna pass the handle addition, add item. But you can't do this one directly. What you're gonna do is you need to do this one, arrow function into run there, and then you'll take those item. Okay, that sort of thing. Okay. It should work when you write here cart div tag, and we'll make it work. Okay, I'm moving down here. We'll use one more div tag. Mm, 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 we did a mistake here. We want to place this within here. It will be easy for styling purpose, so that is the reason of using div tag within the div tag. Okay, the purpose is for styling. Yeah, you will use ul tag for that one. Then within ul tag you'll use cart dot map, and then you'll map on the basis of what item. You'll get the item, and you'll do this one, place them in the form of list. Okay, and you'll pass the key for the list, and key gonna be what dot id. Okay, and in here you'll get the item dot name here. Okay, next, and you'll get dot. Okay, Control yes. Okay, you are able to add those to your cart. Okay, now you can see all the items are added to your cart because you are ordering. Okay, that is the logic till now. Next, within that one, in here, can you write Control Z? What is happening here? Within here, yes, within there, I'll take the button and we'll write now. Okay, this one is here. If I were to write the style here, just do a bit of design also. STYLE, that's inline CSS code. Okay, you can write separately using app.css or index.css, or you can write inline directly here also. Okay, so I'm writing the inline CSS code here. That one is txt text align center. Okay, I'm able to place all these one at the center, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove all the STYL style. You need to use two curly braces. List style, what are you gonna do? List style, I'm gonna remove those one, none. Okay, I don't want those one. Yeah, you're good to go here. Yeah, you remove the unwanted dot list there. Okay, with this block of code style. So yes, then we need to write the camel case when it comes to writing CSS in React. We need to write in the form of camel case. Okay. Looks a bit good. Then here, if I were to write here style, same thing here, text align center. Okay, I'll give the color also for this one. I'll give color for this one, color. I am a peace lover. Blue. Okay. Style, text align, center, we're moving all those to the center. Okay, and here I'll give some color also to make look nice. GROUND background color. What color you want me to give here? Light green. Doesn't look that good, but okay. Yeah. So far we are doing a bit of design here. Background color, let's give it yellow, priest color, but this one is occupying only this one. Okay, if you want to color all this one, then you need to take the deep tag, whole deep tag. It isn't like that good for this one. Okay, this one is separating, so better not to give this one. So yeah, till now we are getting all the images, doing a bit of styling, and here we need to implement two more functionality here. Okay, one is where is written, where is, yeah, one is if I don't like to get this in my cart, then I should be able to remove this. Okay, that's the functionality I'm gonna implement here. Next, once the user click here, place an order, it should take or navigate somewhere. Right now we'll just make it to so some sort of alert. Okay, your order has been placed, that sort of things. But down the line we'll be implementing the cart, okay, like using your payment system. That is quite complicated. We need to use the authentication method. Okay, for now let's do one more function here that gonna be delete function. If the user doesn't like to add the items in card, it should be able to delete items. Okay, set cart. We're gonna set the cart, use the state previous state of cart and then we will run this function cat cart dot filter. Okay, to delete we need to run this one. Okay, so we will be deleting on the basis of item. We'll not touch this one. We'll ignore this first one, but we'll get the index. Okay, we'll select on the basis of index here, and moving here you're getting the item and index. Okay, then you'll run your arrow function, then you'll filter on the basis of if I doesn't equal to index, keep all those stuff which are not equal to index. Okay, and if I is equal to index, we're gonna filter that one, we're gonna remove that one. That's the logic. Control yes, it says it is throwing us error. No worries, we don't get scared of those errors. We need to fall in love with error. Okay, so here on click we're gonna pass the handle delete items, but if you pass the handle it will not work. Okay, you need to use the arrow function there to make it work, and inside there you need to pass the what index index. Okay guys, it is not defined here, no worries. Okay, come on, index why is this happening? Index now throw the error if you can. You can't. Okay, you can't. Next one, I need one step here, that is we need to show the total. Once the user he's ordering too much, he's buying, man, he's buying too much. Yes, our delete function is working. Okay, pretty good. That's what we want. Now what do we want? What we want is const total is equal to, what are you gonna do here? Const total is equal to, we will use the cart dot reduce. To find the sum you need to use this function reduce. Okay, reduce on the basis of accumulator and element, and for making things easy, yes, sum. Okay, sum, and then you'll have item will give you what? Will give you this one, sum plus acc. Now there is sum plus item. Come on, man. Item. but you need to set some initial value. It went off, because so picky boy, so picky. Why so picky? Why so picky? Who told you to be picky? So moving here, he's ordering, right? He's ordering, right? He's ordering, and you can see he ordered 1 2 3 pizzas, and he should be able to see the total. Okay, till now we are not implementing that. We just wrote our function, but we need to show the total also. For that one, I will be getting that how about getting that within here, p, then to your total. Amount will be total, but it will be dollar total. Okay, then what, that is total. Check it out, it's giving object by total. Why, do you know why? Item.pri price, we are not getting the price. Now show me. Now show me, object if you can, but you can't. Okay, everything is all sorted now. One more thing we need to do is, when the user click on this one here, place order, he should be getting some message. Okay, that's quite simple. So const, what are you gonna do? Message, or you can directly set this in here. Come on, boy. Let's check this out in big format. The design is not so good, but everything works fine. To make our design look good, we need to do a bit of styling. Before that, what about on click, do what? Can I just write window dot alert, and can I write this in here? I don't know. Alert placed. Let's check it out. Okay, I don't know, I can write this or not. Yeah. Yes you can. So yeah, everything is working fine, pretty good. Only the thing here you need is, hey, why? I can't even refresh. Why is that? Do I need to pass the error function there? Yeah, might be that's the reason. Come here. came here, remove this one. You're gonna pass the array function there, came here, do what, do this one, then Control Z. Can I pass that here? I don't know. Because our function was implementing directly, so that's why, that was the reason why we were not able to place the order, but we'll sort it out. Come on, boy, come back here, remove all, get new terminal, ls cd to our folder, and then run npm, follow the link. Okay, we can order now, order all the pizzas, place order. This one is not implementing. No worries, this one is quite simple, not a big deal. Click, and then I'm gonna make it work. So I use backtick, which is not too bad. Can I use those here? And give some message. What is happening here? WIND window dot alert, do something, do what, your order has been okay. That's everything. So I don't know, this should work to my way of thinking. I want to make things easier, but I don't know why. City npm run dev, hey. Come on, yes, we are ordering. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, everything is all sorted now. Okay, we're able to place the order also. We got all those objects here, these pizzas. You can see the name, price, ingredients here. Okay, everything you can see. Only the thing you need to do here is you need to just write one style here. That means you need to write one style sheet over here somewhere, whereabouts, within here. Then you'll write here display your display gonna be what, grid, man. Greed. Okay, what does that greed give us? Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Why? But we need to make something here. Come on, boy. What is that part? Yes, greed. And then there is one function. There is one property. What is the template something? No. Grid template column. Okay, we'll get the style set, and then we'll get repeat. Repeat how? We're gonna repeat 3 column and then 1 fr fraction. Check it out. Yeah, that's sort of things. Yeah, because some pictures are small and some pictures are big. We need to sort it out using the same kind of here width and height for the image. Like I can give here STYLE style for image. I'm gonna give width whatever, giving just give it a go, 150 pixel. Okay, and then height, how much height I'm gonna give for this one? The same height, and I'll check it pixel. Okay, it looks quite smaller, and there is a lot of gap in here, which you don't want. You can remove gap. You can use gap. Oi, what is going on here? And here, moving here, use the gap property. Do this one, gap how much? 20 pixel is enough. And padding, padding, let's give 10 pixel. Okay, let's give it a go. Still there, too far. Where is that? Why is that happening? 250. Okay. Now yeah, it's getting better. Everything is working fine. Styling is, it depends on you how good looking you can make. Okay, you play with the styles. Style.css, try to write inline, or you can write in your different app.css. Yeah, and then make your own pizza menu application. Okay, you're getting all the name of pizza here. You can order the price, you can see the price here. Okay, and you can, even if you don't like, you can remove that one. Okay, everything is looking pretty fine. So yeah, you're done. Boom. Order. Yes, you're ordering. Order. Yes, you're ordering. Yeah, good. Place an order. Okay, your order has in place. Please keep patient. Okay, boom, you're done. Okay, that's all for today. For next class, I'll be teaching you how to connect the React front end using Axios with the backend. Okay, that's the thing I'll be teaching you. Okay, you need to play with your CSS, try to align them properly, design them well. Okay, that is your part. Okay, okay, see you in next episode. Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye bye.